Hey everyone. My old Muse 3D here has been having some issues lately. The further away I get the head from the laser tube, I lose power. I've cleaned all my optics, they're all good, it's perfectly aligned, so the next step is to replace the tube. Stick around and I'll show you how. First thing you want to do is turn off your machine. I'd recommend unplugging it just to be safe. Now we're going to want to let that sit for about 15 minutes to make sure all the power dissipates before we continue. Now let's empty the Muse workspace. Pull the honeycomb out. Then you want to take your gantry and move it all the way to the front. The tube is underneath this shroud, so we need to remove that. There are 3 2.5 hex screws on top that we're going to remove. Just lean that shroud forward and then slightly angle it to pull it out. This is going to be the best point to drain the water because you can see the tube and you can see the water flowing through it when you drain it. Now we want to detach the water from the left side. I'd recommend putting a rag down beneath it just in case there's a little bit of water residue in there. On the brackets that hold the tube in place, you want to remove the 2.5 millimeter hex screws. Once it's freed, you can bend those brackets forward and remove the tube slowly. Pull the tube out and slightly to the left so you can see all the power connections. Next, we're going to remove the water line on the right side. Mine is a little stuck, which you might have that same issue. So if you just cut as close to the connection as possible, you should still have enough space to plug the new one in. That way you don't risk breaking this part of the tube and cutting yourself. Now disconnect the barrel connector. Then on the left side of the tube, disconnect the other plug. Now we're completely disconnected and we can remove the tube from the machine. Now it's time to put the new tube in. You may notice there's a little bit of water in the tube when you get it. That's just residual from when we tested the tube before we shipped it to you. When you're installing the new tube, be very careful of this connector on the left side. It is very brittle and is very easy to break off. Connect the power and the water on the right side. And then insert that carefully into the tabs. Just be careful of the metal tabs that hold it in place. Make sure that it only contacts the rubber. On the left side, you want to make sure the power connection is pointing straight up. Connect the plug on the left, the water, Now we want to check our water lines again. That's good. Oh, looks like this one came off, so we're going to connect that back up. There we go. Carefully insert the shroud so you don't contact the tube. Line it up on the studs that are on the bottom. Should just slot into place. All right, and just like that, we're all done. Now you're going to want to do an alignment check, so make sure that this is aligned after replacing your tube. So check out this video here, and we'll be able to show you how to do that. Until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.